We begin here at 4 o'clock with breaking news. The Erie County Medical Examiner's Office has completed its investigation into the death of Nurul Alam, the Rohingya refugee who died in Buffalo just over a month ago.
The autopsy report states the manner of death was the medical finding of a homicide. Our Trina Canterson just heard from county officials. Trina.
Well, Jeff and Kelsey, this is a story that News 4 has been following for quite some time. That press conference just wrapping up where they revealed the latest development that Nurul Alam's death was ruled a homicide by the medical examiner. Nurul Alam, a Rohingya refugee, was a blind man who did not speak any English. He was released from the Erie County Holding Center on February 19th into the custody of Border Patrol. Agents ended up giving him what they called a courtesy ride to a coffee shop they believed was close to his last known address. That shop was closed and several miles away from his home. 5 days later, he was found dead. Yesterday, the Erie County Medical Examiner's Office made a final determination that Alam's cause of death was a perforated ulcer in his small intestines precipitated by hypothermia and dehydration, and the manner of his death was homicide. In simple terms, this means the medical examiner believes Alam's death was not accidental, but the result of negligence.
So as a medical doctor, I will be very clear here that using the word homicide to describe the manner of death is a clinical definition. So the designation of homicide does not imply intent to cause harm or death. The manner of death determinations are neutral. So they're non-legal and they exist for vital statistic purposes only. They do not indicate criminality, which is the purview of the judicial system.
Now, Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz says he spoke with District Attorney Mike Kane and State Attorney General Letitia James, who both told him they are continuing to review the circumstances and the treatment that led to Alam's death. And something important to note, on February 25th, the Buffalo Police Department said, quote, the cause of death was health-related in nature. Exposure and homicide have been ruled out. On March 4th, though, we were told, quote, a final official ruling on the cause of death will be released by the medical examiner's office. We asked BPD for clarification on why they originally said homicide was ruled out. We're still waiting to hear back. Live in downtown Buffalo, Trina Canterson, News 4.